Quick update, guys. Hey, listen, I will be doing a video and hopefully have it up by tomorrow. I've been out the last couple days stomping the earth and seeing what I can see. But I just want to let you know now, this is not for me. This is not for me. I'm going to continue looking for barley for until about the 10th day of next month. That's what I do. But for those of you who have reached out to me and need barley by the end of this month before the new moon, you don't have an omer of barley. You don't have a field of barley. There is no aviv barley. And I'm speaking of aviv barley. Sorry, a little tired doing so much running around. You don't have a field of aviv barley. You do not have an omer of aviv barley on this last day of the 12th month, even 13th month if you've already intercalated. It's just not out there. I will do the report tomorrow, but at this point, we had the place outside of Pardes Hana there along Highway 4. Beautiful area, beautiful barley, but it's all standing above domestic fields. It's absolutely unusual. I mean, unusable, and it's absolutely beautiful, but there were no wild areas in this location. Checking behind villages where agriculture and communities meet, checking, a lot of checking, just combing. There was no wild areas of wild only barley that could be used from there, which is really too bad. That's the earliest barley in the country is right down there. It's not really too bad. It's the Father's will. I'll not believe anything else about the Aviv barley is that we get what his will is. The next most viable location that I have found with barley, um, and it's just coming out just now, is down by the Jordan Valley checkpoint. That barley down there is beautiful. Quite a bit of it up now. A lot coming out right now. A lot of little spiky awns are sticking up out of the plant. Um, Gorgeous barley, but far from being aviv. There'll be plenty of it when it's finished coming out, but it's far from being aviv. So here at the end of the 12th month or the 13th month, depending on your program, there is no aviv barley in the land of Israel yet. The barley is just now bursting out in some locations. So if Elohim has placed it in your heart to help what I do here in Israel to bring you barley reports, to offset some of the wear and tear, the gas, and the vast amount of personal time it takes to do the research on new locations and faraway locations, you'll find three methods of giving in the description box: PayPal, Patreon, and Buy Me a Coffee.